Guardian Home Inspection here from Northridge, California, showing you some tools that I have to inspect houses. Some of these tools are recommended. Obviously, you don't need all of them, but this is what I use. I'll start off with, I have my bag, belt, and then so I start off with the Fireplace Key. It's an 8-inch long key. A lot of properties don't have it. I like to have one to test the fireplace. I have a 5/16 socket to open up electrical panels, HVAC units. Use that same 5/16 socket. Tape measure, measure different things. A lot of clients ask me to tape measure all the time. Electrical GFCI tester. I have a ticker. I have a pressure gauge for the main water supply. You test that. I have a garbage disposal little wrench. You don't really need that, but I like to have it just in case. Sometimes if it's not too stuck, I'll unstick it. Blade cutter to open up electrical panels. Sometimes they're sealed with paint or caulked, so I have to cut it away so it doesn't damage the paint too much. So I use a Milwaukee thermal tester. It's great. Fits in my bag pretty good. Gives me good numbers, good readings. I like it. It's rugged. It's a little pricey, but I think it's worth it. And I have a long 2.5, 3 foot screwdriver probing wood, and you turn around, you could test smoke detectors, carbon monoxide. So I like having a long probe. Everyone always says, "Hey, you got a long, big screwdriver." I say, "Yeah, I do." And then I have my Streamlight Stinger. This thing's a workhorse. It's a stud, so it works really well. I have 2 of them. Keep one charged in the truck at all times. And I'll put a link where to get it. It's from swps.com. Great flashlight. I've had it for 2 years. I had to change the batteries once, but it's a workhorse. I recommend this one. I put the link. All the other tools I won't put links on, just because they're basic tools. You don't get them anywhere. I have a channel lock, so I do sewer line inspections, and I could remove hoses from hose bibs, and different things. This one's kind of light, so I like it. Obviously, you don't need this, but if you're going to do other things, it's good to have a little channel lock. I have a small little level, HVAC compressors, whatever you need to test. Take a picture of screwdrivers, Phillips and flathead. I have what's next? Electrical tester 12240 for laundry or for car chargers nowadays. A moisture meter, generic moisture meter, whatever the case may be. And I have a ball bearing there to show clients the slope floors. It's common in townhouses and condos and some raised foundations. You'll see some slope floors. So there's my bag. It's kind of heavy, so I also have this adjustable belt. Works really well. Different weight dimensions there for me. And I have the 17-foot Little Giant. This thing's pretty good. I got a newer one at home, actually at Costco. It was like $100 sale. It's great. So I take that secondary rung off, and that's how I use it. I could get to most houses without that second rung, and what I do is I'll have access to attics easier without that thing. So that's how I use it. If it's a taller property, then I'll stick that second rung on. Next, I have my Fleur thermal imaging gun. It's an E6, works great. Obviously, you know what thermal imaging is for. Another moisture meter, pinless one, a ticker, and a pinned Fleur moisture meter with another electrical GFCI. I put my contract in there, and I walk in there with my briefcase for the inspection agreement. And then also, so I offer sewer line inspections with the camera SeeSnake. It's a Ridgid SeeSnake, 130 footer, works great, gets good quality picture. I charge $175 to do at the time of the inspection sewer line, and if I need to come out, like $225 if it's the standalone, and works well. So and then I have to have this Ridgid Navi Trak locator in case I do find something. I need to locate it. This thing emits a sound, and this Navi Trak picks it up. So it's a locator. tells me the depth, and you need to have that. A water shut off in case the property is shut off. The water shut off, you turn it on. Bolt cutters. A lot of times electrical panels are bolted, so you need to cut the electrical panel, obviously with their permission. And then I have gloves, booties, hat, gorilla gloves for removing electrical panels, soap, wipes, hand sanitizer, the whole works. So I try to keep pretty much anything that I need at a home inspection, some extra tools in case you break something. So that's that.